Hey YouTube, I got part of the way into this project and then decided I would make a video about it. This is the 1993 Toyota pickup truck Hilux outside the United States. I believe what I'm going to describe here should be true of 1989 through 1985 models. This has got the 22RE, the 5-speed manual transmission, and this is the extended cab long wheelbase model, but I believe that this should be true of all cars of this vintage. I decided I wanted to install the factory clock. You can find these on eBay as of this video for just about 40 bucks. So if your climate control panel looks like this, and there is a blank plate right here, behind that blank plate, plugged in here, you have a power cable. And that power cable is specifically to power the clock that was an option on an awful lot of these vehicles. Now, if you need help taking the dash apart, let's see, there's about 4 screws under the steering column that you're going to have to take out. 4 plus a bolt right down here at the bottom left. And then you're going to have to also take out 1 screw right here where the glove compartment is in order to be able to get this off. I just killed half an hour, much to the chagrin of my 6-year-old sitting here next to me, trying to figure out what I'm supposed to secure the clock to in here. I searched and searched and could not find anything to screw into, and the clock has these ears on it, one here and one right here down at the bottom, that you're obviously supposed to put screws through, but I could not figure out what I was screwing into. And then I realized, just as I was about to rig it up with double-sided tape and kind of stick it in here and then get online and look for a bracket, because I figured there must be some additional bracket that I needed, I realized that the clock actually secures to the trim piece here and not into the panel behind the trim piece. So I just randomly grabbed a couple of screws that looked like they would fit, and I screwed them in. You want to do this gently so you don't crack the plastic. On a vehicle that's this old, it's going to be really easy to crack the plastic, tightening it up too tightly, and so you're going to want to be careful doing that. But I already tested the clock to confirm that it worked, and so I should basically just be able to kind of put things back in place if my e-brake doesn't get in the way. And plug it in. Right, moment of truth here. I've got the cord plugged into, cable plugged into the back. Should be able to turn this to the accessory position. Yes, and we have a time on here. So of course I'll need to set that, but I'll wait until I have the dash back together for that. And I'll go ahead and stick the climate control trim in place. Oh look, that's a really nice looking fit. That's exactly how that's supposed to look. Good deal. So, I hope I saved you a little bit of time, because I just killed an awful lot of time trying to figure out how to secure this thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And I'll make that buzzing stop.